Hello, fellow translators. Are you feeling left out with everything going on around AI and AI in translation? Well, I'm here to tell you, you should not let AI intimidate you. In fact, you should let it empower you. You can turn AI into your ally. The fact is, AI is here to stay, and if you're a translator, you're probably well aware of this. However, it won't steal your job. AI is just a tool. So what you should fear is not AI, but the translators who actually know how to use AI properly. It's important to get ahead of the curve and to understand how all of this works. That way you can take advantage of its benefits, but also know how to avoid its pitfalls. In this cutting-edge course, you'll discover how AI differs from traditional machine translation. And we're going to go through some techniques for pre-editing, post-editing, glossary creation, etc. We'll look at ways to leverage AI for internet research and terminology validation. And we'll also look into how to have AI verify its own translation and improve upon it. In addition, we'll be looking at strategies to overcome AI pitfalls like confidentiality issues and hallucinations, etc., etc. As a professional translator with almost 2 decades of experience, I've been through pretty much every iteration of MT, machine translation, and AI, artificial intelligence, at least with regards to translation. And what I've been able to do is develop custom AI prompts that streamline workflows and boost productivity. I use these prompts for my agency, and I also work with translators to create customized AI prompts for them that they can use. So come along in this course, where we're going to start from scratch and explore what AI can do for translators. In the process, I share the prompt code that I use for translations, and I show you how to tweak it and make it customizable so you can have a personalized prompt code for your own needs. So future-proof your translation career and click the button below to get started.